smack. Somehow he's strong. Oh no, he's struggling.
I ain't struggling shit. That shit loud, wasn't it?
It was loud. Alright. Mr. Know-it-all.
I'm gonna show you how to do this, James.
Sure.
Ooh. Yeah, hold on.
Alright.
Ooh, I fuck with this bitch. You got that little thing on there. Let me see it versus this. I'm fucking with this. I'm tired. I ain't even talking. Alright, y'all. Shit, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. I know you just fought, cuz. You just fought it. Come on, bro. Come on.
I can't control this, bro.
You nigga, what? Nigga can't control it. Just stink ass. Come on, bro. Nigga gonna poop and you start laughing. Need to figure that down.
You think Wendy's still open?
Alright, you your fat ass nigga. See, that's your problem. Now, what if we always want some food tomorrow? What you gonna do? Exactly. You might well wait till tomorrow.
Tomorrow is, bro. Today is tomorrow, bro.
You might well wait until a couple hours from now. You might well sleep your hungry ass to sleep.
Yeah.
You might well say fuck that shit, cause then you can spend that shit then. Spend that shit now, then hours go by, you gonna be hungry again. You be like, damn, I should just spend it here. This shit, you gonna go home, go to sleep, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Bro, that's a bug in your back, bro.
Huh? It's a lot of them.
Bro, what are they listening to, bro? That's that carnival music, bro.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's a nigga that, I think he be getting off work or something. I don't know what it is. He got a fat ass truck.
Yeah.
Nigga, every day I damn near catch him when I'm outside. Or I'm smoking or something. He'll go past. I'm talking about his shit be loud as a bitch. Clarity. Going down all windows down, going down the goddamn street. You know what I mean? I already say the street, but you know what I'm saying? Riding all the way down. I don't like that. And that nigga be playing that shit every time till you got to. You playing music that loud, but you better be playing some shit. Like,
bro, I don't know what that was, bro.
yeah, I don't know what
that was. I don't know, bro.
That's that shit you be listening to.
Nah, chill out, bro.
No, what's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Monte. We back. We got the Honda in the back. You know what I mean? We got a part for the Honda. We got a real cold air intake. You know what I'm saying? I had this cheap $60 eBay intake. It was cool. It did a job for the time being. I had it for about a month. Used it for about a month. But now, you know what I'm saying? I paid the price for a real one. So hopefully it fit better. Hopefully. That was the reason why I said my car's running rich, because it didn't say my car's running rich until I put that cold air intake on.
Okay.
So I'm hoping this is what fix it. See, I'm in that mode now. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm like, hey, I don't need it with that. Right? But alright, so look, let's get the unboxing this drink. This drink came in it came in either yesterday or it came in yesterday. Picked it up this morning. Ooh, shit, nigga, I've been waiting for this shit. I'm gonna lie. Oh, my bad, excuse me, y'all, you know what I'm saying? You see me? Look, make sure you got that good name.
Yeah, no. I'm getting all the right angles till I got you.
Alright, we good. Alright, this is the moment of truth.
Alright.
The moment of truth.
Show me some.
Let me see. Alright. So this the filter right here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, we might be out this all night. Wait, what time y'all go back?
Chilling, bro.
You good?
Yeah, I'm chilling, bro.
I didn't think this was gonna be black though. I didn't want another black hose. It's cool though. I thought it was gonna be silver. Matter of fact, I know why. I know why it's black. I stick with black. I don't even care. I don't really even read the directions, you know what I mean? But I always read the directions. You know what I'm saying?
Always.
I don't need them because I already got that. I might do it.
Yeah.
But I ain't
You
gonna
need
lie.
them.
I ain't gonna lie.
Alright. Mr. Know-it-all.
I'm gonna show y'all how to do this, James.
That's right.
Ooh. Yeah, hold on.
Alright.
Ooh, I fuck with this bitch.
What?
Ooh. Oh, this that motherfucker. I need the directions. I ain't even gonna lie.
Somebody don't need directions.
Alright, y'all. I mean, shit, this ain't even directions for real. I'm tripping.
Ain't gonna lie.
It is, but it's not. What? Huh? What? You like?
There you go, I'm fried.
Let me see that one. Bro, you see how fast that just burned though? I just rolled this bitch.
Yeah.
I just rolled this bitch. Alright, y'all. So, this is what we gonna do. Now, me personally, I will show y'all how to do it right here. You know what I'm saying? Blase blah. And not take the wheel off and do the most. And then I need to take this bitch out anyways. This bitch come from the old air filter that was in here. So that's how that shit feed air. And then I got the other jank that's still in there. So I need to take that out anyways. So I'm gonna take the tire off and then we're gonna do the brakes too. So that's gonna be a whole different other video. So to kill a couple birds with one stone, we're gonna have the tire off, we're gonna have the jack on there already. So we ain't gotta worry about that shit. Then we can easily feed into the cold air intake because it's right there. You know what I'm saying? You get the gist. So let's get this shit. I got some music playing though. I need some motherfucking music.
I need some food. I need some food. That's what I need.
I mean, shit, I would probably say shit.
No, camera on your face.
You know what I mean? You get a little closer, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, you might need a better look at me. You know what I'm saying? See what this greatness is. Alright, so. I don't got the energy to pick this jack up, but shit gotta get done.
Come on.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, y'all.
Showing me strong, bro. You cook.
Yeah,
Showing me strong, bro.
How you gonna tell
You
me?
know, you talk all that. Nah. Hey, yeah.
The camera talking about some, no, this day.
Yeah, he talk so much smack. Somehow he's strong. I thought he's struggling.
I ain't struggling shit. That shit loud, wasn't it?
It was loud. He's still weak, bro.
What you talking about, nigga? You know what it is.
He's still weak.
You know what it is. Jack this bitch up. Boy, I love this jack, man. You don't understand how much I love this jack. This jack make like so much fucking easy. I don't even give a fuck. Got some more. Show y'all how to, you know what I'm saying, jack a car up, y'all know. Let me see here. Bingo. Bingo, watch out.
Okay.
Let me see if that's enough.
It's gonna take time.
Huh?
It's gonna take time.
Yeah. I ended up ordering some jackets.
Just loud.
Yeah, I'm loud. But no, I ended up ordering some jack stands, y'all. I was trying to get some 3 tons, but I ended up ordering 6 tons on accident, thinking it was like 3 and 3 equals 6. You know what I mean? My dumb ass. No, hold on. But then I took them bitches back. These is 4 tons, so these bitches still big. These bitches still big, but they, you know what I'm saying?
It's the right size, though, right?
I mean, it's a good size to get it done. 3 ton, like I still gotta drive my car high to get these shits under.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like this shit still not gonna fit. You see what I'm saying?
Oh.
I gotta still go high. 3 ton, I better get under it by now. Even though 4 ton good, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna hold that weight, but nobody will want to drag the car this high.
Yeah.
I don't know, but gotta do what you gotta do. It still don't do. That shit's crazy. Shit still don't fit.
What's wrong?
Been untwisted. There we go. Gotta break that bitch. I'll be real cautious when I do this shit now.
Mm-hmm.
Or when I messed my finger up last time. Not last time, but you know.
Yeah.
Last go around. When I ain't make sure everything was secure properly. You know what I'm saying? She's sitting right there, right in that snug knuckle. Ain't going nowhere. Bingo. Alright, now we get the drill. She gonna be loud too.
You already know it.
It's loud. I don't even give a fuck for real. I'm asking like I care. I ain't still gonna get this shit done. Oh, bitch.
That's loud. Yeah, that's loud. That's loud.
That's
Yeah.
loud.
That's loud.
The hell, nigga.
Nah, I don't want to know. Yeah. That's loud.
That's loud.
That's loud. What time is it?
12.
Yeah. That's loud, bro.
Hey, matter of fact, it's cool. That's how you amplify. This shit quick and shit. Whatever. Alright, y'all. We trying to be quiet, but at the same time, we trying to get y'all some content, you know what I mean? I can talk, but I'm over here trying to focus. She can still get this shit done, you know what I mean? But, bingo, we got time.
That's what I'm talking
Put your
about.
phone in.
Right there.
Alright.
My fault, bro.
What?
I'm sitting down.
What you mean? Nah, you good. As long as you got a good angle.
Oh, I will. All
You
right.
got a good angle?
Yeah.
I mean, you ain't gonna have to get up to show them, but I mean, you can sit down. I can. Sit down. What you talking about? I want to see something. Way big now. Shit. Almost. Alright, intake, we doing intake, right? Alright, intake. Your ass fried like a motherfucker. Alright, y'all, alright, come up here.
All right.
Alright, bingo. Screwdriver. Where's that thing I was just using? Right here. No, it's not. Where's that thing I was using?
Right there.
What?
What you mean? What thing?
That was on top of this. The skinny, the flathead jack. Damn.
All I seen you using was this right here. That's all I seen you using.
No, I'm saying when I was in there, when I was using this.
Oh.
It's right here.
Okay.
Oh, but I don't really need that though. I just need this. Hopefully this shit good enough. If it's not, I can still use this with the ratchet. I got a skinnier ratchet somewhere though. This cool. I ain't trying to goddamn be out here too long. I'm trying to get all this shit done. I need another ratchet though. This cool. Just use this. Shit's too small.
Damn.
Handyman, you got it all.
What?
Why are you tight?
Oh.
Alright. So, I mean, I could disconnect the battery. It's really not something crazy you need to do for the intake. So, this is what you do. First of all, you unclip this. This one. You unclip the other one. Yeah, on the iPad it's better with the flash, yeah. So, we about to take this off. Bingo. Move this out the way. Okay. Now, with that screwdriver, we're gonna take this off. I'm hoping this new intake fix this problem, bro. I really so do. I had to I had to custom fit this shit. I low-key should have hammered this bitch, the little nipple when you see it pop out. I should have hammered it so it can straighten up, but I ain't want to. I ain't know if I was gonna hammer it. I was gonna put like a little hole in it and the air's gonna leak out. So I didn't want to do that shit. Alright, we got those. Well, it's good angle.
Standing up. That's
Let me
perfect.
see. Let me see. Nah, that's hard. Nah, nigga, that's hard.
That's perfect.
Alright, so boom. We got these got these two loosened up a little bit. Now we're gonna do these.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, bitch. Oh, move this bitch out the way now. Alright, we got 2 of them all. 2 up. We got 2 of these all. Boom, boom.
I thought you were showing. I'm tripping.
Huh?
I'm tripping. I thought you were showing that.
Nah, hell no. What the hell?
I'm tripping, bro.
So now we move these out the way. I might need you for a second. Matter of fact, let me see that screwdriver one more time. What is that? Is it Demo? I heard a little turbo sound like.
Oh, baby.
Nah, that ain't no turbo. That shit sound ass. That shit ass. I had to hear shift gears.
Somebody
That
probably
shit
say
ass.
your car sound ass.
Hell nah.
You don't think so?
This is a J series, nigga. They gonna say that Infiniti sound ass before J series sound ass.
For?
Fuck yeah, they gonna say that shit sound like a trumpet. J series sound like it's a good ass V6. I mean, not hating on Infiniti, you know what I'm saying? I still want me one. Some of them sound good, some of them sound crazy. Don't get me wrong, some Infiniti sound crazy. This bitch don't want to budge.
This my car sound good?
Yeah, hell yeah. Fuck yeah, this shit loud as fuck. You can't even barely hear shit when the window's down.
Bro.
All you hear is that shit. The whole fucking car be shaking. That shit. Oh, loud. We got test pipes on his. They all, majority of the time, they all gonna be loud. I don't know what else you got on it though. But this bitch is not budging. There you go. There we go. Alright, y'all. So, slip this out. See what I'm saying? Slip that out. We slip these 2 off. So, hopefully we won't need those again. We slip this little knuckle out. Bingo. Slip that right there. And look at that shit, nigga. Oh shit. Bro, what was I using to? Damn, bro.
What happened?
I need some scissors, bro. I just use this lighter. Hold that top.
What top?
The top of that. That's it.
Oh, right here, I got you.
Gotta rip that bitch out. Oh, this shit. There you go. I got him out this side.
I do.
What's that? You see? There we go.
Oh.
She out of there. Out with the old and with the new. You know how to trick this. You fried, bro. Come on, bro.
This looks big, bro.
Huh?
This looks big.
It's bigger than that?
Nah, it's like the
Oh, the
camera.
iPad.
Yeah, the camera.
Yeah.
It's in 0.5, but like.
Yeah, this shit still big.
Yeah.
I was saying that shit earlier. This bitch smooth though.
Mm-hmm.
They got that little thing on there. Let me see it versus this. I'm fucking with this. Shit. Gotta put in the miles. I had to put that bitch on there when I remember when I did this shit out here.
For real.
But yeah. Yeah, she fit too good. Shit too good to be true, though. Okay then. Shut me the fuck up then. They fancy with that shit. I'm tired. I ain't even talking. Alright, y'all. Shit, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. I'm gonna have to deal with it. I know you ain't just fought, cuz. You just farted. Come on, bro. Come on.
I can't control it, bro.
You nigga, what? Nigga can't control it. Just stink ass. Come on, bro. Nigga gonna poop. You saw that. Need to figure that down.
You think Wendy's still open?
Alright, you your fat ass nigga. Yeah. See, that's your problem. Now, what if we always want some food tomorrow? What you gonna do? Exactly. You might well wait till tomorrow.
Tomorrow is, bro. Today is tomorrow, bro.
You might well wait until a couple hours from now. You might well sleep your hungry ass to sleep.
Bro.
You might well say fuck that shit, cause then you can spend that shit then. Spend that shit now, then hours go by, you gonna be hungry again. You be like, damn, I should just spend it here. This shit was, you gonna go home, go to sleep, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we got that motherfucker on there.
I'll go ahead.
Alright, y'all. So, just finished. It ended up starting raining a little bit, so we were trying to hurry up and cut the video out. Like, fuck that. So, as y'all can see, matter of fact, go to the front. So, we got the intake on there. She's running great. You know what I'm saying? She started up good, check engine light on, so she's not running rich no more. Car is running rich. Now she ain't running rich no more. Oh man. I wanna hear you sound like. They ain't do the brakes today, but I did brakes. It sounds great, but you can't even lie.
Yeah.
Shit, fuck it. I might just goddamn make a part 2 tomorrow or something. I don't know. I'm gonna let it warm up. We gonna clean up. We gonna turn it all back on whenever the hell. Maybe tomorrow or whenever I do these brakes.